With the global pandemic and the changing climate, both global health and our planetary boundaries have faced enormous pressure over the past 2 years. In order to lead healthy lives, we need a healthier planet. And in order to protect the health of our planet, we need to take smart decisions about how we take care of our health. So what are we doing at the Global Self-Care Federation? We are making a clear commitment about the sustainability of our industry. We call it the Environmental Sustainability Health Charter. The Charter is a joint commitment of each of our members that will hold our industry to clear and actionable standards. The Charter is focused on 3 specific areas. The first is we will reduce plastic packaging wherever possible. We will strive for circular design and work with the right partners to become more sustainable across the entire value chain. The second is we want to reduce as much as possible pharmaceuticals in the environment, and that starts with what leaves our manufacturing plants and also after usage. And our last focus is our carbon footprint. In line with the Paris Agreement, we will help our members adopt emission reduction targets that accelerate the transition to the low carbon economy. Guided by these 3 principles, I truly believe that together our industry can have a tremendous positive impact on personal health and also the health of our planet. So let's now hear how our members are bringing the Charter to life.
At Johnson & Johnson Consumer Health, our mission is total health for individuals, communities, and for our planet. That's why in 2020, we announced the launch of our Healthy Lives mission, our 10-year ambition to advance human health while also protecting our planet. Over the past year, our leadership brands have been making incredible strides into making this happen.
I am incredibly proud that our Johnson & Johnson Consumer Health self-care business is supporting the Global Self-Care Federation's environmental charter through our J&J Consumer Health Pledge. And I'm happy to share that we're already doing our part and making progress.
The Self-Care Association of South Africa pledges to encourage our members to promote environmental sustainability to foster global health for the planet and more specifically for the African continent.
Taisho Pharmaceutical has been dealing with environmental issues with a dedicated team for more than 40 years. Our focus started from responsible manufacturing and extended to circular economy and CO2 management. We continue our efforts on environmental sustainability for long-standing business foundation.
ILAR and the self-care sector in Latin America are working in different initiatives. Several members are implementing the use of recyclable and reusable materials for over-the-counter medicines packaging with the support of certified suppliers aligned with sustainability standards, as well as the use of e-labeling and QR codes for medicines leaflets.
We implement voluntary action plan for a recycling-based society, which aims to reducing the final disposal volume of industrial waste by about 75% in 2025 relative to 2020, and raising the recycling rate of industrial waste to 60% or higher in 2025.
We at ASGP are really passionate about the Pharmaceuticals in the Environment initiative, where we work with the other 2 pharmaceutical associations in Europe to address the presence of pharmaceuticals in the environment. And one of our projects there is the Med Disposal campaign, aiming to raise awareness of the safe disposal of medicines.
We're taking 3 key steps as part of this charter. On climate, as a company, we've set a goal to be climate neutral by 2030 and net neutral by 2050. On packaging, by 2030, all packaging will be 100% recyclable, reusable, or compostable, and will include, on average, 50% recycled content.
This year, we've step-changed our action on sustainability as mission critical to deliver on our company purpose, including significant investments on-site solar power as part of our goal to generate 100% of our own renewable electricity by 2025. Committing to 1 billion toothpaste tubes recyclable again by 2025 and achieving full RSPO palm oil accreditation by the same year.
Sanofi is accelerating its efforts to address climate change and intend to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions across all operations, Scope 1 and 2, and the entire value chain, Scope 3, by 2050, and set an interim target to reach carbon neutrality by 2030 across all scopes of emissions, 20 years ahead of our previous commitment.
FHCP will promote the Charter with our members and encourage them to sign on to this global commitment to help achieve the principles of sustainable self-care.
We have less than a decade to keep global temperature increases below the 1.5 degree threshold of the Paris Agreement. We must all act to ensure our industry is making decisions that consumers can be proud of. I look forward to hearing this panel's lively discussion.